on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Cafe Racer project. I had my morning coffee today, so I'm ready to get going. I am doing something today that's going to be pretty exciting because it's both a upgrade to the bike and an added part of the design. So with that being said, let's get right into it and I'll show you guys what I got. So for today's video, I have in this box a new set of shocks. So, here they are. They are RFY, which I think is a Chinese brand, and they're kind of like, I think they're modeled after Olin shocks, but they're very affordable, and the build quality, at least at first glance, is really good. But yeah, they look really awesome, and I chose these specifically because they have a gold nitrogen canister and gold accents on them, and that will go really well with the gold accents that are on the tank. So these are a style of shock known as a piggyback shock, which means they have a nitrogen canister behind the shock itself, which regulates the spring rate. So I personally think these look really awesome, and they should perform way better than the old raggedy shocks that are on the back of the bike now. They are the same height, but they are adjustable. They work like a coilover on a car, so they have a adjusting screw and a locking screw that you use to adjust the height and the spring rate. But yeah, they should fit alright. So let's get right into it. Let's get these old shocks off and put these on. Alrighty, so here's the old shocks. They're real old and rusty, but hopefully they can just switch out real easy. So all I have to do is remove this nut and this nut down here, pull off the old shock and put the new one on. Usually you would jack the bike up to do this, but I think I'm going to try and just do the shocks one by one so that hopefully I don't have to jack the bike up or anything, and it should be pretty easy. So let's get right to it. Just kidding. We're gonna have to jack it up just a little bit. Alright, the old shocks are off and the new shocks have been replaced and put on. These really needed to change because, as you can see, they're super rusty. But yeah, the new ones are on. They feel really street worthy. They're a lot stiffer than these were. Overall, that was a really easy install, just 2 bolts on each side, and you take the old ones off and put the new ones on. And I'm really happy with the results, and it should be way more streetable now. The gold on the shocks almost perfectly matches the gold on the Suzuki logos. If you haven't seen the video of me spraying the logos gold, you should definitely check that out. I'll leave a card up here. Also, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check those shocks out and see where I got them and maybe get them for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to leave a like, that really helps out the channel. Also, leave comments on what you think of the bike so far, how you think it's turning out. And leave me comments on what you want to see in this channel, because I've got lots of different things I can do. I'm going on a road trip here soon, so that'll be a video for you guys. And there will be plenty more stuff on the bike, and also the M3. I do videos every weekend, so please subscribe because that helps out, and I'll see you guys next time. As always, enjoy the road.